with me, let me take you to an amazing birthday party. What's up guys, how are you guys doing today? My husband's sister, she celebrated her 50 years birthday, so I decided to dress up because they are taking us for a dinner date. Wow! Due to my hubby was not around, so we do not have any present for her. So me and my husband with my mother-in-law organized to go to the shopping mall to go and buy her a beautiful present. Yes! At this essence, I started preparing myself to dress up to look beautiful and amazing, always the way I am. Oh my gosh! Okay, after preparing, although I used that makeup that my makeup artist bought for me from Nigeria, I really applied it to my face. It was really gorgeous, beautiful and amazing. Then after dressing up, I used pink, I carried my new bag that Obi bought for me. Then we decided to go to the shopping mall. We went to go and pick my husband's mother from her own house. Already, she's already dressed up. So we pick her up, we went to the shopping mall. Although that Obi always change car. See, I've been Niger blood though. One day I've told him, one day I'm going to start making those cars to disappear, to go and sell it. Do not do that, you know. I just wanted to scare him a little bit. Then, after going to the shopping mall, I wanted to buy something similar to the bag that I have with me that Obi gifted me. But did you know that I did not find it anymore? The shopping mall where we went to buy the bag, they have other amazing bags, but it was not up to the standard of that bag that I was carrying. So we decided to change another location, to went to another shop inside the shopping mall. We changed to almost 3 to 4 shops before we now find one that we really like. Then we find different kinds of bags, a lot of them. Then we decide to choose 2. I choose one, my husband's brother choose one. So we were like, you know, debating which one is more beautiful and all. Then my husband decided that no, let him just choose the 2 and let us gift her the 2 bags. Maybe with time she will choose the one that she loves most. So we decided to pick up the 2 bags, but the 2 bags is really, really beautiful, you know, CK and what are they calling the other one? I cannot remember anymore. I don't remember the names of brands, but it was really beautiful. Did you know that after that we now went to another bar to go and do aperitif? We take my husband's brother to our favorite bar. We told her to come and do aperitif with us so that she will know where me and my husband always go to catch fun and all those things. She was so happy. Really, we took sprees and some snacks for aperitif. Everything was so yummy. Then from there, we now went to the restaurant. Then a lot of food, drink, you know. We really have an amazing moment. My husband's sister was so surprised with the amazing gift. Guys, what did you think about what we choose for my husband's sister's birthday gift? Did you like it or you do not like it? Just tell us at the comment section. I love you!